Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll be helping you use your own email address to send outgoing notifications. This is helpful for the clients or leads to know who is sending them the confirmation email or the booking reminders. To set this up, you need to be connected with either a Google Calendar or connected with an Outlook calendar using Microsoft 365. To use this feature, you can log into OnceHub. You can click on your profile picture icon and then click on user integrations. You can then click on your primary calendar and then turn on the toggle to use your own email to send booking notifications. Currently, you can see that I am connected with a Google Calendar. However, if we see another user profile that is connected with Microsoft 365, there is a similar option available. I hope this video was helpful to you. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oneup.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.